Step out of my car.
Okay, why y'all grabbing
Get out of the car.
Pick my shit up, cracker.
I'm telling you. Whoa,
my shit up.
Turn around. Do it. It's dangerous.
What starts as what looks like an ordinary shoplifting call is about to spiral into a high-stakes police encounter. Officers already have security footage, witness statements, and a timeline before they ever make contact. So here's the question. Will honesty make things better, or will every decision from this point only make the situation worse?
I ain't got no whip. Alright, I ain't pitching in for no whip.
I got you.
I ain't got shit. My baby here.
I get it. How old's that little guy?
He's 6.
6. He didn't have school today, huh? What you looking for, dear?
My keys.
Your keys?
Yeah,
Not in the ignition?
no, this is not my car.
Oh, okay.
I'm looking for my house key.
Okay, do me a favor.
Stop moving.
Yeah, let's just stop doing that. Yeah, you don't need your keys right now. Not until you get home. Whose car is this?
How's it going?
Did they take anything, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that big black bag she has, that is full of stuff.
It's full of stuff?
Yeah. She did not walk in with that bag. That's what when we verified that she didn't have the bag. That's when we.
Do you guys know what all she took or anything like that? Or?
We didn't see her actually conceal. We just saw her with the bag full of merchandise. We checked camera to see if she walked in with it. She didn't walk in with it, so we know she got it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that guy in that red hat, he's walking towards over there. I'm not sure if they're with him, but
Yeah.
okay.
He was in here carrying around a bunch of shoes. We were watching him too. The guy in the red
Did he
hat.
take anything? Or?
We don't think he took anything.
Okay,
We
just-
gave us back everything back.
There's 2 of them, right? Two
Yeah.
black females?
There's 2 black females, yeah.
There's
Okay.
one in like a denim jacket.
Okay.
And then that one.
So a black bag, did it have a,
He's
is
done.
it a Nike or anything like that?
It's cool, yeah. It won't be branded or anything. It's like quilted almost.
Okay.
Like has that quilted pattern.
Okay, and it has stuff inside it. You saw them put stuff inside it?
Yes, we
or?
saw him put stuff inside it. We just don't know exactly what it was. I know it's most likely Nike.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that bag was stolen as well?
The bag was stolen as well. Yeah.
I'll be right back.
All right, you guys got receipts? You got receipts for me?
No, I don't have no receipt.
You got nothing. There's no merchandise in this car?
You gonna let me go? I'll be honest.
Tell me, be honest with me.
I got merchandise. Can you please let me go? I got my baby with me. I do got some merchandise.
Okay, let me
I
see.
bought some stuff in there though.
Okay.
I had bought an outfit in there and I had took an outfit in the bag. We ain't reaching for
He's
nothing.
doing something, man. I gotta make sure.
We ain't got no weapons. The black and white one was mine.
Okay, so this is, you did not take this bag, right? You took the bag inside?
He's trying to say I took the bag, but I didn't take
Okay,
the bag.
I'm good if I look in here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right on my
But
car,
I told
okay?
you there's an outfit in there, one is mine.
Is there anything else in there?
No, sir.
Nothing.
I promise.
Okay, so I have a picture of you walking in without a bag. So, bag stolen. You know this guy.
Yeah, I just told him this.
Stay back there.
Notice how the officers keep separating people and controlling the scene. That's standard investigative procedure. The goal isn't to argue. It's to preserve evidence, prevent interference, and identify who's actually involved. But when emotions start rising, even a routine investigation can turn into something far more unpredictable.
Stay back there. You just gonna ignore me? No, you won't. You'll get off the scene. Go back there or go to jail then. Either way is fine with me. You're just getting too close, man. It's all right. I understand. You're just getting too close to what we're doing here.
Hey, he ain't got nothing on him. That's my brother.
I know,
Like,
but
for
I
real.
need him to stay back. Yeah, we're
Just step over there so they can
Okay,
get
he
it
ain't
doing their
got shit on
investigation.
him.
I know. It's fine. We're not saying you did anything. I just need you to stay back. I just need you to stay off the scene. All I need you to stay away.
How you gonna say she was acting and still me and who's by herself?
We're still trying to investigate all this stuff. I just showed up.
Hey,
Right, because he trying to start some shit. Now he just walked towards you. That's starting shit. Get the fuck back.
Hey.
Why is he
Exactly. Like, get your motherfucking employee. Like, he's starting shit for
We're
no
not cussing
reason.
us. We're not cussing at you.
So
Why
what? But
are you
he
yelling
said he
and
started
cussing at
shit.
me?
Why he walking up?
You already walked up like 10 feet closer than where you were earlier. You keep on pressing.
man.
You keep on pressing. You keep on
I
pressing.
ain't pressing shit, man. I ain't walking no motherfucking word. You steady walking up on me, man.
Listen, I'm not trying to mess with you.
Yes,
I just
you
need
is.
you to stay back.
That's
all I'm asking. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's all I'm asking right there.
You don't have any physical. You have any like you got a.
Bro, I just told you I'm wanting for y'all, and I'm telling you the truth.
I believe you. It just we're not getting anything back. You got
So
you got a
let me
credit
let me
card or
go.
anything? I just gotta confirm it's you.
Is you gonna let me go?
It depends. It depends on what the warrant is.
If we got PC, let's just do it.
Come on out for me.
I'm gonna get in my car.
You're good. You gotta come on out anyway.
Hey, who the sergeant?
Right there.
Right.
So put your cigarette for me. Turn around for me.
Man, I ain't even lie about my fucking name or nothing. I just gave you my name and my birthday. And told you the truth. To get handcuffed is crazy.
We can talk about it. Go back right back here.
I don't fucking know. My baby is crying. He ain't never cried. And I just gave him my fucking name and my birthday. He told him the fucking truth.
You're good. Hold on.
I told the fucking truth.
So listen. I appreciate you being cooperative with me. Your stuff you took is over $400. That's a felony.
I know it is over
So
here.
you've done this before, right?
Yeah, I'm being honest with you, though. I can get a citation.
I understand that, and I appreciate you being honest with me.
This is where the stakes suddenly jump. Once the value of allegedly stolen merchandise crosses the felony threshold, officers treat the case much more seriously. Cooperation can influence how smoothly an arrest unfolds, but it doesn't erase probable cause. Do you think this situation could still have been de-escalated here?
You understand the severity of this, but I got a couple more things. You saw me turn my lights on. I saw you run out. You didn't stop.
Because I was trying to park. And my baby, and I was trying to figure it. I was trying to figure out to call somebody for my baby because I knew I had these wounds. I wasn't gonna run. If I was gonna run, I would have just sped off. I wasn't running.
When are the warrants from? You know.
Glen Corbin, Ellis, they is Glen Corbin, and Fairview Heights.
And Fairview Heights.
Yeah, these two out here in Illinois.
You got any other tattoos?
Where is?
So I'm trying to confirm this is you.
Yeah, they on my arm.
Okay. Nothing else on your face. You got the one on
Yeah, this one right here. It just said my baby name.
Okay. All right, just hang tight for me, okay? Just watch your foot. You're good. I mean, it's gonna probably be fucking doing all that. You're pissing me off. Tell me to get the fuck out of here. Good. These are all like $8, so. Yeah, that hurts. I'm not gonna turn on her either.
While we're confirming, go ahead and step out of the car for us. You hear me? Step out of the car for us.
What am I stepping off
Please
for?
get out of the car.
I don't
I'm gonna tell you
I
again,
didn't
step out
have
of the car.
anything.
Okay. Step out of the car.
Okay,
Get
why
out of the
y'all
car.
grabbing me?
Get out of the car. God dang, man. You hear what we're saying to you? You've been... Yeah, go ahead and sue us.
Here's the critical turning point. When officers give repeated lawful commands to exit a vehicle and those commands are ignored, they are generally allowed to remove the occupant using reasonable force. Moments like this unfold in seconds, but they often become the biggest focus of any later investigation or courtroom review.
I just snatched me out the car like
We
this.
asked you to get out of the car.
I asked you twice to get out of the car. You're telling me no.
Give me your hand.
I'm not arguing.
Exactly. What am I?
I'm not arguing with you. Telling you get out of the car.
Shut up. Pick my shit up, cracker.
I'm telling you. Whoa,
Pick my shit up.
hey.
You got anything on you?
Pick my shit up.
What you saying to us, man?
This is mine. I have nothing in my bag. Did you see me go in there and grab anything, touch anything? No, you do not. I have nothing. Exactly. I'm suing the fuck out of them. Watch. I ain't got to say nothing.
Watch. Just make it easier on yourself, please.
No, because y'all doing too much.
We're not doing anything.
Oh my God. Y'all straight doing too much.
You don't send somebody put out the car. I'm here.
Twice get out of the car. You're telling me no.
What she gotta get out the car for? She a passenger. Anything physical to her. Man, that's my sister. We ain't do anything physical to her. We finna get real active in this.
I think she was stealing.
We finna get. I don't give a what's going on. Y'all do anything.
Oh, you coming up too, bud?
I ain't coming up on shit.
Turn around. Do it. Do it. Taser, taser, taser. You. What did I tell you? Huh? What did I tell you? You talked your way into that, didn't you? Talked your way into that, bud. Come out here and mouth off to us. We're gonna find out who you are real quick. Yeah, go ahead. We're gonna find out real quick. What does that mean?
Expected that one.
Oh, yeah, I've had enough of it. They're mouthing off to us. You came up trying to pick a fight with us, dude. Why? Why?
That ain't do shit. That ain't do shit. I ain't do shit but knock me down. I mean, you ain't do it.
Oh, I did. I pulled, didn't I?
You pulled the trigger on some shit.
Right.
Bad motherfuckers, man.
Yeah.
I get off on doing black people like that.
You're okay, buddy. Hey.
Amid all the shouting and arrests, one heartbreaking reality stands out: the child caught in the middle. Watch how an officer immediately shifts from enforcement to reassurance, calming a frightened kid who had no control over any of this. Sometimes the most powerful moment isn't the arrest, it's how the innocent are protected afterward.
You're okay, buddy. It's okay. You're okay. Let's go over here. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay, buddy. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Everything's okay, buddy. I know. I know it's scary, but everything's okay, I promise. What's your name? Okay. It's okay, buddy, alright? Everything's alright, okay? I understand you're scared, but everything can be okay. Alrighty. You like dinosaurs?
No.
No, you don't like dinosaurs?
No.
No, what do you like to do?
I play with people.
You like what?
I play with people.
You like to play with people? You play any sports?
No.
What kind of sports?
I play soccer ball.
Play soccer? You pretty good at soccer? You score lots of goals? Yeah. You're good at Jump back in there and I'll be right back with you, okay, buddy? Can you get on your tablet? Okay, give me 1 second, okay? Just stay in the car for me, okay?
I got diabetes, my sugar high. You can read my phone. It feel like I'm finna pass out. And I'm already nervous because my baby jumped out the court screaming and hollering. He tased him.
Okay, so like I said, what's going on here? He's getting...
That's my...
Okay,
can I look at my legs? I don't want to run. I don't want to do
good.
nothing. I'm worried about my fucking baby in my hip right now.
I understand. He's okay.
I need to go to the hospital.
Why?
You can read. I got diabetes. You can take my phone, unlock it. It's high. I feel like I'm finna faint. My head, I'm dizzy.
You want EMS come check you out?
Yes,
okay.
I'm dizzy.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
32, okay.
Yeah, right. That's what y'all get off on.
Hey, you're the one who's been saying racist stuff.
I ain't saying shit racist. I ain't better shit. You just pick me up. How y'all just slap me down? You pick me the f*** up.
You only weigh 120 pounds.
I weigh more than your ass. I'll do your motherfucking ass when you put out these cuffs, though.
Definitely weighs more than
shit when you in the cuffs, though. Y'all need to do shit when I went in there.
I'm back here.
Oh, holy cow.
We got one back there.
All right, we got another car.
Bitch ass motherfucker.
Yeah.
You don't do all this shit while I'm in cuffs, though. Tase a motherfucker while I'm in cuffs.
I tased you while you were in cuffs.
Yeah, nigga, you tased me while you walked up on me and did all this stupid ass shit for no motherfucking reason. You didn't do shit.
Going in your car, you satisfied?
You satisfied. I don't give a fuck about none of this shit. This shit don't mean nothing to me.
This is extra.
Y'all ain't doing shit. I'm trying to manhandle you now. I'm trying to manhandle a motherfucker now.
Doing what you told to do?
No, I ain't doing shit what I'm told to do. I'm gonna do what the fuck I want to do. When I want to do. Oh, fuck.
That makes you
Fuck wrong with you? This racist ass shit you just did. Y'all just did some shit on some bullshit. I ain't did shit and I'm standing in the motherfucking parking lot. You just tased me for no motherfucking reason. And a motherfucking seat, man. I have a seat and all this old stupid ass shit. Bitch ass nigga.
We haven't identified him yet, have we?
Nope, there's no idea. When's the last time you had anything to eat or drink?
It's been a while. It's up high.
So your blood pressure's high?
Yes.
How long you been diabetic for?
No, by the best buy. I've been diabetes for almost 6 years.
6 years? Type 1 or type 2?
Type 2.
Okay.
He can go with sister, right?
No, he could go with mama. Sister who?
You know that girl, man?
I'm his mother.
That's his mother?
I'm his mother.
Who's the other girl?
You're going to jail, here.
What I'm going to jail for?
For theft, for retail theft. I think we've been over this multiple times.
All right, what's the
What's the charge?
for?
The charge is retail theft.
That's fine. I'm asking you what's the attitude.
What's that? The attitude is we've been asking who you
I
are.
gave him my name 10 times.
So you don't have a Missouri driver's license. You don't have an Illinois license.
I looked in the bag. You was standing right there. I was looking. She said it's not in there. He got me. I ain't got a lot.
Who is the other girl to you?
My friend.
Okay. Can the child go with her?
How he gonna go with her? She not going to jail?
No, it's only you that was committing the crime.
Well, you can. He can go with her.
I don't know what's been going on out here, but you're the one that was stealing.
But he grabbed her out the car, so why he grabbed her out the car?
We can ask anyone out of the car. You guys are under
Why are y'all
investigation.
getting an attitude for? I'm asking questions because I thought she was getting arrested. My son can go with her.
Yeah, she's a...
Yeah, my son can go with her. That's fine.
We thought she was involved too.
She wasn't.
In there they said that she was.
What's going on? I want some motherfucking medical assistance, man. I'm the one that got tased. I should be getting some medical motherfucking assistance. You supposed to get me medical motherfucking assistance, man. That's part of your motherfucking protocol, man.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm supposed to get medical assistance after you tased me, man.
You been through this before?
Yeah, I've been through this shit, man.
I give you the option to walk away.
No, y'all ain't give me no medical or motherfucking assistance, man.
What's your name?
And I got high blood pressure, man.
What's your name?
You tased me, I need medical assistance. That's my name. I need medical or motherfucking assistance, man.
Sounds like he's going to county.
Medical motherfucking assistance, man.
You don't need anything.
Yes, the fuck I do, man. You just smashed. Man, I need medical motherfucking assistance, man. No, I need medical motherfucking assistance, man. Yes, I do. I need medical assistance, man. I need medical assistance. I don't give a fuck, man. I don't give a fuck about none of this shit, man. I don't give a fuck about none of this shit. I want medical motherfucking assistance, man. I need medical.
Get in the car. Stop,
man,
dude, stop.
Don't pull on me
Stop.
like that, man. Don't pull on
Then
me.
stop
bitch
kicking
ass.
the door.
Don't pull on me.
Put your
bitch
feet in the
ass
car
nigga.
and I'll let
Don't
go.
pull up, bitch ass. Don't pull on me.
Put your
like
feet in the
that.
car,
Don't
please.
pull on me, bitch ass.
Don't
like
kick
that.
her fucking
Bitch ass,
door.
Don't pull on me, bitch ass. Don't pull
Shut
on
the
me
door.
like that, bitch ass. Man. Don't pull on me like that, man. Don't pull on me,
Quit
bitch
kicking
ass.
this
nigga.
fucking door.
I'm gonna kick on whatever the fuck I want.
All right, who you in charge of coming down the
I
property,
don't give a
okay?
fuck about none of that
Don't
shit.
follow
man.
me. Shut
I
the
don't give a fuck. Stupid ass motherfucker. Y'all ain't gonna be in this motherfucker manhandling me and like
What's your
that. You got my ID?
I don't have shit. What's your name?
I ain't giving you shit.
Okay,
Lawyer.
Okay, you're going to Madison County.
None of
Good
this
luck.
shit.
He's fine. Okay, he refused. Go, fucking pussy.
Now the car's getting towed. Car's getting towed.
It's getting towed.
Yeah, car's getting towed.
Why is it getting towed?
Because it was involved in several felonies, retail thefts, and it doesn't belong to anybody that anybody can say. And the license is expired,
This is my
suspended.
car.
What's your name?
Mariah
Mariah what?
Jackson.
It's not who it comes back to.
Yes, it does. I got the title. This is my car.
The title's in your name?
Yes, it is.
Hey, who's the car come back to? Okay.
Mariah C. Jackson. This is my car.
You got insurance on
I
it?
got it registered in Alton.
You got the insurance card and the updated registration?
No, all of that is at home.
Okay.
But this is.
Yes. Okay.
Let me see if I can pull it up.
The registration is not valid. It's suspended. There's no insurance on it. It's getting towed. So I need to call for a ride.
In the end, what began as suspected shoplifting expanded into multiple criminal allegations, resistance during the arrest, and vehicle-related issues. It's a reminder that small decisions can snowball into life-changing legal consequences. What part of this encounter do you think changed the outcome the most? Let us know below.